You got it. Oh. What are you making, River? Corn on the cob? Good job. Want me to help you with that one? Oh, there. Okay, where's the corn go? In the pot.
More.
More? There you go. River, look at mommy. Are you shucking corn? Huh? River. Are you shucking corn? Say yep. Yep. Do you like corn? Hmm? Yeah. Who's making corn?
Me.
Yes, you. Who loves corn?
Me.
Yeah. Are you gonna eat all the corn? No, not yet. It's not good. No, not yet. Yeah, it's not good without cooking it. It's not the same. Was that good? Yeah? Spit it out. There. Oh, it's stuck in your tooth. There. That'll teach you. Okay, put it in the pot.